DoD USDT Overview. Signal cost, like, comment, share, and subscribe to support this channel. Trading style, spot. Target time frame, approximately 1 month between take-profit targets. Entry levels, 3.475 to 5.348. Take-profit targets. Target 1, 10.883. Target 2, 13.051. Target 3, 15.028. Target 4, 16.763. Target 5, 18.449. Stop level, 2.117. Key to successful trading. Patience. Simplicity. Use lines, trend lines, price channels, support, and resistance. Important recommendation. After reaching each take-profit target, move your stop loss to your entry price or the last take-profit price. Additional tip. Enter after a pullback for better risk-reward. Remember, this analysis is for educational purposes only. Always conduct your own research before making any investment decisions.